welcome to this Karcher K2 compact demonstration, which is both an unboxing to see what's inside and to have a look at whether it's effective. So without further ado, let's find out what's inside this box. Just as you'd expect, there's some instructions. Here's the cable for the hose, the handle, two wands, just as with any Karcher. One of the new interesting features is the way that this particular hose, which is the hose to the nozzle, is put together and clips on. It actually has a secure clip at the back that you raise and you put in the nozzle and close it. And this is new and has never been seen on any of my previous Karchers. The hose attachment is exactly the same. You've got a yellow clip that pulls out, and then you can only put the nozzle in one way, push it down, close the clip, job done. It's got two nozzles, we'll find out what those do in a moment. So the interchangeability is just the same as on all the other Karchers. It's a twist and together. We're also going to clean the sundial and get some dirt off down the bottom here. But here, if you have a look round here, you can see that there's mortar, and there's mortar with dirt in it. Now the moment you put the hose on there and use the big spray, that will quickly chisel out. So I've just got to stick to the stone. There's a bit of a mess on here from a bird, and we'll use the washer just to get that off.